Hi everybody, in this lesson we will learn how to isolate a layer and focus on it. If you want to see a layer or some layers alone, what can you do? Here, before show or hide, you see the audio, which allows you to preview or mute the audio. But here's the solo. This circle is the solo bottom. If you, for example, solo a layer, you hide all other layers and focus on this layer. And this is very useful. Here, you can focus on this layer and also the processing. You don't process all unsolid layer, so you can work faster because all layers as if they aren't in the composition. You can solo as many layers as you want. And work on them. So you can isolate some layers, work on them, then you can show all layers. This helps you to work very fast because you aren't obliged to cache and process all layers while you are working on a specific layer. If nothing is solid, all layers appear. You can click and drag to check many layers as you want. If you click Alt while and solid, you solo only this layer and unsolo all layers even if there are other solid layers. If you uncheck this, all layers appear again. It's a very useful feature that allows you to work faster, to decrease the amount of processing by focusing on specific layer. Always solo the layers you work on to focus on it and to reduce the processing. Thank you. See you next lesson.